Homemade cherry tomato with red pepper, carrot, onion, shallot, garlic, celery. I'm going to make that into a soup. The recipe's off my friend, so let's go. One of the first steps that we do is get the carrots. We dice them, 2 carrots, 1 clove of garlic, put it in a baking tray covered with some virgin olive oil, some salt, some pepper, and we put it in there until the carrots have like a little crispy outer line to them, normally about 20 minutes, 15 minutes in a hot oven. Okay, I've got 2 peppers. I've cored them, halved them. I put them on a baking tray with some greaseproof paper. That's what the woman in the shop said would be the best. Just checking on my garlic and my carrots before I put my peppers with olive oil back in the oven until they get nice and roasted. Okay, we just took our peppers out of the oven, and that's how we want them. Skin kind of wrinkly, not stuck to the greaseproof paper, so the lady in Tesco's was correct. Normally I have a nightmare. Okay, now I'm going to put them in this Ziploc bag, just while they cool down, and it just makes the peels come off. Another tip. Okay, we put our cherry tomatoes with some olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and now we are going to put this in the oven quite high, because we want it to be roasted. See you in a bizzle. Next on the to-do list, onions, shallots. Dice them, put them in a little bit of olive oil and give them some heat. You don't want to cook them, but soften them up a little. Okay, we skin the peppers. 4 skinned peppers there. Now we need to dice them. Okay, while the onions are heating up, we want to pop the garlics out of their little house in there. Oh, perfect. Squish it out just right. You don't want to rush this job, because if it's done perfect, it tastes absolutely gorgeous. Turn that down like that. We know the garlic's done right because it just like pops out of its little hole. Move that around. We've got our tomatoes, not burns, but we want to get all that flavour into the pot. And now the de-seeded red wine tomato, or pink wine. So we want 500 mils of now blended, all ingredients added, and we have a lovely, awesome looking tomato and garden vegetable soup. And there you have it, homemade tomato and vegetable soup. Buzzing.